Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Kaye Nailed It on Instagram recently hosted a giveaway, and I was one of the lucky winners. And I won her stamping plate collaboration with the brand Clear Jelly Stamper. And this is the first stamping plate that I have from the brand Clear Jelly Stamper. Okay, so let's take a look at the stamping plate. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. And it has two films. This is called Kaye's Fashion Flavor. Now let's proceed on doing a nail art with this. For my base coat, I'm applying Peel Off Base Coat by OMG. And then for the base shade, I'm using Champagne by Bench Beauty. To make it holographic and sparkly, I'm applying Holographic Pearls by Revlon. Now let's start stamping. I'm using Born Pre's 486 stamping polish. And I did this kind of design to all of my nails. Next, I'm using 02 by Beauty Kingdom. Then I'm using this dress for a layered stamping. I'm using white first. Then I'm using Born Pre's 1787 stamping polish. Then I'm proceeding with this design. Now I'm just leaving the lips design. Now for the layered stamping of the sunglasses. I'm using 01 by Beauty Kingdom. Next design I'm using is this. I'm using white first. Then for the skin tone, I'm using Roam With Me by Orly. Now let's use the outline design. I'm doing some reverse stamping next. I'm mixing in Atlantis by OMG and First Crush by Caronia to create a two-toned hair color. Then for the lips, I use Bachelorette by OMG. Then I'm letting it to dry. To stamp the design, I'm first applying Fast Drawing Top Coat by Caronia to make the surface a bit sticky. Then I stamp the design. And for this one, I'm just using it with black. For this shade, I'm using 219 by Born Pretty. And now for the outline of the dress. After all of that, let's apply top coat. I want to congratulate Kaye for this awesome collaboration with Clear Jelly Stamper. I'm really loving the stamping plate and the designs are so delicate and very intricate. I'm also loving that this stamping plate is well etched. You can either use regular nail polish and stamping polish. And the layers of the designs are so accurate. You can find this stamping plate on Clear Jelly Stamper's website. The link is available on the description box below, so don't forget to check that out together with Kaye's Instagram account. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!